91 degrees for our high today. Temperature line is 13981. 13981.
Well, all right, Mr. Jared. K1LVA down there in Aiken, South Carolina. And 87. And they're saying 91. You got mostly sunny skies. Yeah, I'm sure you'll see all of that 91. 62% humidity is not going to make it feel that awful great. Jared's ticket to ride 139.81. How do we do, Jared?
100%.
I appreciate it, and I appreciate you picking up Mr. Cliff for me. I heard a couple of words in there, and that's about it. Like you were saying, the band is just rough. It is 40 meters, and it is daytime, so we just deal with it, especially in the summer. But hey, that's what makes my job fun. I like to see how far I can get in these rough bands. This is Alpha 4 Juliet Golf, Jeff with South Cars, and we are still looking for anyone, anywhere. Just only give me a call. Sounds like it's quieting down a little bit out there, but hey, let me tell you about Mr. Mal's Wednesday Trader's Net. Every Wednesday, 10 to 11 Eastern Time, Mr. Mal has the Trader's Net. So if you're looking to buy or sell some amateur radio equipment, that's where you want to be. Every Wednesday, 10 to 11. If you've got something, you can email him ahead of time, and he will read it from your email, or you can just call in on the net, and he will relay what you've got. You can sell something, you may hear somebody giving or selling something on there, and you may want. So check out Mr. Mal's Trader's Net every Wednesday, 10 to 11 Eastern Time. With that, we'll say anyone, anywhere. Suffixes only. Give me a call.
Hotel Juliet Delta.
Okay, I heard Hotel something Delta. Give me that call sign and come on aboard.
Alrighty, this is Kilo Delta 4, Hotel Juliet Delta. The name is Tom, and I'm in 5 Points, Alabama. Our ticket number is 0563. 0563. Right now, I'm showing somewhere around probably 95 degrees outside. The feel-like temperature is somewhere around 115 out near the pool. So it's quite warm here in 5 Points, Alabama. Back to net.
All right, Tom, KD4 HJD down there in LaGrange, Alabama. And I think you said about 85 degrees. You can check me on that. I think you said about 85. Band got a little rough. But I did get your member number 0563. How close was it, Tom?
Oh, pretty close. Pretty close. It's 5 Points, Alabama. 5 Points, Alabama. I used to live in LaGrange, Georgia. And those two towns are only about 12, 14 miles apart.
Okay, well, on our roster, you're still under LaGrange, so that's where I got that from. So if you get a chance, jump over to southcars.com and just click on the contact tab and just tell them that you've moved, and it'll put your new city in there. But hey, I appreciate you checking in, and I don't think I have talked to you, I think, before. It's just been a while. But I'm glad you joined with me on this hot, rough band day. Roger?
Roger. It is a little rough, so sometimes I have a hard time hearing you, although that last transmission in the field was just about a 5'8", close to a 5'9". Anyway, we'll let you guys go. We're going to listen a little bit, and then we've got a few chores to do. Kilo Delta 4, Hotel Juliet Delta. Thank you.
73, and I hope those chores are inside. It is hot outside. Try to do all my outside stuff early, so hopefully I can do the inside stuff in the afternoon. All right, hey, that's how we roll here, folks. And we're just easing on along. Hey, that's all right. We're just going to ease on along. Let's try again. Anyone, anywhere. Suffixes only. Give me a call.
Oscar Lima Radio.
Lima Radio. Come on aboard.
Yeah, I don't want to make you into a lonely Maytag repairman. You remember those commercials? Anyway, thank you for picking me up. This is M4OLR. Jerry in Waynesville, North Carolina. Let's see what the weather man says here. Well, we're up to 79 degrees already. 79 and sunny. And I think our high today is going to be around 82 or so, somewhere in there. Getting close to that already. So we haven't been outside. Don't care to be outside. It's too comfortable here in the ham shack. That's why Ellen and I were both, she came in the room and I was showing her how I can operate both of the computers. I've got two 32-inch monitors, and I can operate both of them with the two computers from my easy chair, my recliner. It's an electric recliner that really is very comfortable. And I got wireless mouse and wireless keyboard, so I can do everything right from the old easy chair. Don't even have to get up. Oh, man. But I got to get up because I got to move around once in a while. Anyway, enough of that. Number 26 waving at you, and hope all's well on your end. Go ahead.
All right, Mr. Jerry, and there is nothing wrong with all your wireless, easy access, and want to be inside during this hot time. M4OLR, Mr. Jerry, Waynesville, North Carolina. And there's another place I'd like to be. It's only 79 degrees. He's going to go up to 82 or so. Got those Carolina blue sunny skies, sun shining down, and all of the convenience right at his fingertips. Man, I love it. Jerry is a very long-time member, 26. Appreciate you checking in with me, Jerry. How'd we do?
You're doing fantastic. I'm surprised my little peanut whistle is making it out to you, but well, we got 100 watts. You're sounding good here. You're one of the stronger stations on the air right now.
Well, I appreciate it. Probably not many stations on the air because the band is a little rough, but hey, that's all right. We're going to be here. That's what we want to do, and I appreciate you checking in. Man, stay in and stay cool. All right, folks. Hey, this is Alpha 4 Juliet Golf Jet here in Chattanooga, Tennessee. It's still hot. I'm still showing 88 degrees, and I do see some sun shining down, so maybe we're getting to just partly cloudy. Still some clouds out there, but the sun's shining down, and I'm sure we're going to see the mid to upper 90s before the day is out here. All right, with that being said, anyone, anywhere, suffixes only, give me a call. Mike India Zulu Delta. All right, got a couple of them there. I'll take it. Got a Juliet Golf Delta. Then I heard another one, Juliet something Hotel, and I will get Miss Glenn on here, Juliet Golf Delta. Come on aboard.
Well, good afternoon, Jeff, and everybody that can hear me on South Cars. Jeff, I'm hearing you quite well. Okay, the call is Whiskey 4, Juliet Golf Delta. The name's Glenn, and I'm in Sylacauga, Alabama. Jeff, it's sunny, 89 degrees. They say it's going to 95. Bus ticket to ride 10423. Back to you, Jeff.
All right, Mr. Glenn, W4, JGD, down there in Sylacauga, Alabama. And I bet they're right on that. He's got 89 degrees, sunny skies, and he says they're saying 95 degrees. I bet you get every bit of that sun shining down. Oh, yes, sir. 10423 for the ride ticket. How'd we do, Glenn?
Roger, roger, Jeff. Hey, Jeff, if you probably figure in the humidity, it's probably already 95 degrees. Over.
Roger, yep. You're right. I saw a thing, of course, I'm from Florida, so I'm from South Florida. It says if you want to know what it's like to live in Florida, go in, take a hot shower, don't dry off and put your clothes on. And yes, that humidity sticks to you, Roger.
Roger, Roger. Worstest place I ever been for humidity was New Orleans, Louisiana. Over.
Yes, sir. Yep. Got to get down there a little hot, humid. Yeah, it's just sticky. It's sticky, but hey, hopefully we'll have this one little hot flash going on, and maybe the rest of summer will be just decent and hot, not this extreme. Roger.
Roger, Roger. Well, Jeff, you remember last year, it seems like we had a little hot spell like this last year about this time. But, Jeff, hey, it's great to hear you, and I'll catch up with you on Wednesday if you're net controller. Over.
Yes, sir. And good Lord willing, and the creek don't rise, I will be here next Wednesday, so perfect. Appreciate you checking in with me, Glenn. I'll break with Juliet Golf Delta, and let me pick up this last one. I heard it's Juliet something Hotel. Give me that call sign and come on aboard.
Okay, good afternoon. The call is Whiskey 4, Juliet Hotel. My name is Jim, Juliet India Mike, and I'm in Greensboro, North Carolina, where it's on the median scale of 84 degrees out there. Humidity's relatively low. I'd say it's 48%. The sun is shining, so it's quite pleasant here this afternoon. Let's see. What else? Ticket ride is 8007.
All right, Mr. Jim, W4JL. Missed that little L in there. Down there in Greensboro, North Carolina. Hey, 84, that's not too bad for today. He's got those Carolina blue skies, sun shining down, 48% humidity. Yep, you're on the lower side of half, so that's not too bad. Jim, 6 ride, 82007. That's you, Jim.
You hit the nail on the head.
Well, I appreciate you braving the band and checking in with me. All right, hey, so far we're at 19 check-ins for the hour. Hey, I like it. Not too bad for a day like today. And I've still got about 8 minutes going, so let's just keep the ball rolling. Anyone, anywhere. If it's only, give me a call. Tango,
Mike India Zulu.
Lima, Yankee, Juliet.
All right. Take that time. I'll take it. Tango, X-Ray, Quebec, Mike India Zulu, and Lima, Yankee, Juliet. Let me see. Sam from Alabama. Tango, X-Ray, Quebec. Come on board.
Thank you, Mr. Jim. Good to be with you this morning. I hope everybody's doing all right. We're doing all right here in Alabama. It's 90 degrees, 90 degrees. Light wind and a little cloud or two in there, but it's mostly blue sky. And we'll probably get a little more cloudiness as the afternoon wears on. You never know. So thanks for picking me up, Jeff. I hope everything's good with you up there in Chattanooga town. And we're gonna do this again to enjoy the day. It's kind of warm though, but that's all right. We don't get to have everything the way we like it. That's the beautiful thing that makes us happy. So back to you, Jeff. Thanks a lot. My ticket to ride is 10563. $105.63. Back to South Star. Over.
All right, Mr. Sam. Seems a while to talk to you. KF4 TXQ Sam down there in Dadeville, Alabama. 90 degrees. Got a little breeze blowing, but not enough. We've got a couple clouds, but mostly sunny, so that sun is shining down, so you know that 90 is going to go a lot higher. Ooh, goodness sake. Sam, 6 to ride, 10563. Happy to do, Sam.
Did great, Jeff. Thank you very much, and have a good one.
You as well, and hopefully I'll talk to you again next week. Now let's go down. I think I'm going over to Lebanon. Mike India Zulu. Give me the call sign and come on aboard.
All
righty. Well, thank you, Jeff. We'll talk to you here. My name's Kevin, Kilo Echo Victor Echo Nora, Kevin, and I'm located here in Lebanon, Tennessee. That's roughly 30 miles east of Nashville. And, current conditions, according to my phone right now, is it's 82 degrees currently. It says it's going to go up to a high of 85 today. I got mostly cloudy skies, or mostly sunny skies on the phone here. I'm looking on the cameras. It is cloudy. It sounds like it's about to rain. Thunder's really popping off around us somewhere. I hadn't looked at the radar or anything yet, but to tell where it's at. And our fuel light temperature is 87 degrees now. Our high is 85, our fuel light's 87, and our actual temperature is 82. Sounds like something fishy going on there. Well, Jeff, ain't not a lot going on over here in this side of town. I tell you, man, you sound good over here. I'll let you go and get back at it. I'm not going to do too much today. Just hang out and try to dodge raindrops and stay cool. Y'all do the same out there. And Jeff, you too, just be careful and be safe, and God bless you. And everybody on the net, y'all take care and be safe today, and God bless. We'll see you. This is Kilo Golf 4, Mike India Zulu.
You had an off.